The job offer has been signed and your new employee's first day is coming soon. You can build their anticipation before they even come in the door with a welcome email. By creating a templated email, you'll be ready for every new employee. Let them know more about the company they're joining and set a positive tone right from the start. We've put together an example template you can download below. It's flexible enough to adjust your company's culture. Remember to send it out shortly after they sign the contract to let them know how excited the company is to have them aboard. Enable tip. Go the extra mile and create a series of emails to build excitement. These messages can include videos, images, or stories. Remember, this is HR's first impression. Take the time to craft messages that promote your company values and share your mission statement. If you need help creating this content, the Learning Experience Design and video producers at Enable Education can help.